What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video, how to promote CP offers with free traffic. Do you want to promote CP offers? If yes, then complete this tutorial. I will show you step by step this free process to promote CP offers and make CPA profits. Okay, and you can't imagine how much simple and easy to apply this method. If you are a newbie, if you don't have any marketing idea, it doesn't matter. You can simply apply this method. If you can copy and paste, then you can copy and paste this tutorial to apply this method, and you can promote easily your CPA offers and make CPA profits. So it's an opportunity for anyone to promote CPA offers and make CPA money. So guys, let me show the best part why I recommend this method for promoting CPA offers. You can say, if you can if you watch this video, then you can easily promote CPA offers today and don't fail CPA marketing again if you can apply this method. Okay, then you can make 50 per day. It uh, it depends on you. If you can continue your task on the daily basis, then you get more better result. Okay, then it's 100% unseen and unique method. Okay, you don't see this method again, and it's 100% proven and free traffic. Most of the newbie marketer, most of the marketer want to get free traffic to promote any offers, and for this reason I make this video. I will share these free traffic sources to promote your CP offers. Okay, then you don't need to make any videos. Okay, then you don't need to do anything on social media. Suppose you don't need to comment any post, you don't need to message any people, you don't need to do it. If you can, if you do it for promoting CP offers, then your account will be banned. Okay, and you just need to spend 50 minutes per day to complete your task. If you can copy and paste, then just let me show all the tutorial how I promote CP offers using this method. Okay, then you don't need have any coding skill or marketing skill. In the case of CPA marketing, you don't need to sell anything, and for this you don't need any marketing skill, and you don't need any coding skill or any other previous working skills. Okay, and you get a result within 24 hours. uh, I can't assure you, but if you can follow this method, I can say you can get this result. Okay, it's totally beginner friendly. Okay, just think, I am a beginner, I don't have any knowledge, any skills to promote CP offers, but in this method I will promote CP offers, and you have to do it. Just follow me. Okay, and you don't need to run any paid campaigns. Actually, if you want to get better result on CPA marketing, then I recommend you, I suggest you to start Bing ads. Bing ad is the best way to generate targeted CPA traffic for promoting CPA offers. But if you are a newbie and if you don't have enough investment money, then you can apply this method. Okay, and you don't need to do any type of scammy task. I personally hate scam, and you don't need to do any scammy task to apply this method. Okay guys, so all the reasons I recommend this method to apply, and you can promote your CP offers and make CPA money. Okay guys, now I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JVZoo, and many other affiliate networks, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. And I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, first thing is fast. If you fast inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing. If you check my YouTube channel, then you can see how much helpful content inside my YouTube channel here. Okay, and if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month by affiliate marketing, then you can check my number on recommendation, or you can check my video description here. A lot of money making opportunities you can get inside my video description, so check it. Now I will show you how I promote CPA offers with free traffic. It's a complete step-by-step tutorial. If you want to promote any CPA offers, then at the first you have to create account on any kind of CPA network. It may be Max Bounty, it may be Peachfly, it may be CPA Leads, it may be OfferVault, it may be CPA Grip. Any of the CPA network, you have to create your account first. And if you suggest me which affiliate network is for beginner friendly, then I suggest you create account on CPA Grip. It's open for all over the world. So visit this CPA Grip. At the first you have to create your CPA Grip account, okay? And for this, click the publishers and join CPA Grip. It's simply sign up. It's a form of CPA Grip to sign up form. You have to fill up all this form, and it's easy and simple. I don't need to waste time for creating your CPA Grip account, okay? Just simply put your first name, last name, your website. If you don't have a website, then you can use your Facebook URL, you can use your YouTube URL, you can use your LinkedIn URL, you can use your Twitter URL, okay? Then street address, your country, put your country here, then your city, your state, region, your phone number, your Skype ID. A lot of people comment here, I don't have a Skype ID. It doesn't matter, it takes 4 or 5 minutes to create a Skype ID. Just create your Skype ID and put it here, okay? And publish content, you can choose any of the, but I recommend to web and content log or others, okay? Then put your email address, your password, confirm password, your time zone. Then you are not a robot and you accept their term and conditions. Click here and click the register. And if you put this, where did you hear about us? Do you know? You can put here Google or YouTube. That's it, okay? After register on CPA Grip, just log in here. It's your first step, okay? It's your first step of CPA marketing. You have to create your account of any of the CPA network, okay? Fine. Now your next step, you have to choose the best offer, best money making offers. If you can promote money making offers, then you get more conversion, such as free Amazon gift card, free diamond gift card, free PayPal card, free PayPal money, sorry, this type of offers. Now let me check all the offers inside CPA Grip, and you have to choose the best offer, best converting offers, and you have to promote it, okay? Now visit the offer tools, okay? Put here my offers, then you will see all the offers inside CPA Grip, okay? Put here all the country. Here is the type, which type of offer do you want? It's mobile or desktop. Put here all type, okay? Then category, which type of offers you want to promote. It may be download option, it may be mobile install, it may be pin submit, free survey, trial offer, zip and email submit, location, social action, sorry, call per action. A lot of categories here, but I suggest you to put email or zip submit. It's the most converting CPA offers of every kind of every CPA network, okay? Now you see here a lot of offers here, but mind it one thing, in the case of CPA offers, you see here most of the offer, every offer, not most of the, every offer of CPA network is selected for a selected country, such as this offer is for United States, US people, this offer is for Netherlands people, this offer is for Australian people, this offer is for United Kingdom, this for Germany, this for Netherlands. Okay, so you see here every is offer for every specific country, so you need to you need to manage this USA traffic for converting this offer. Okay, now you can say how can I do it, or I will lose a lot of traffic, and for this reason I will find out a tricks that you can manage all the offers in just one page, and you have to share this page link. Okay, and for this you can use two ways. One is using Google Docs. Okay, it's free Google site. You see here extra money making opportunities. Then you can add a lot of offers here. You can add 50 15 to 20 offers at this space. Okay, this for United people, this for USA people, this for Australian people. Okay, now I put here this offer, get a diamonds gift card. Okay, you see here get a diamonds €100 diamonds gift card. Okay, just click this offer. Then it's the at the first you have to put the country name, then the offer name here, and if you click this link then you will get your affiliate link. Just click copy link and put it here. Click link, paste it, apply. Okay, this is linkable and your affiliate link is linkable. Okay, by this way you can add 15 to 20 offers as this page, and finally click the share button and you get and you copy this link, and if you paste this link then you visit this, you can visit this page. Okay, you see here you can visit this page. Okay, and you have to share this link. Okay, it's one of the way to manage all the offers in one page. And another way, visit linktree.com. sorry, Linktree. Visit here, just simply log in your sign up here and log in into your Linktree account. Then you can add as much offer as you want. Okay, it's your Linktree dashboard. Okay, look like this. Now when you want add link, you have to add link like this. Okay, and you see the preview here. Now when you add link, just click add new link, and you see here it's easy. Here is your title, here is your URL. When you choose any offers, suppose you want to add this offer, it's the offer title and it's for United Kingdom. So here is the title, and at first you put here UK and paste the title. Okay, and copy the affiliate link, and you see here the URL, and just put it and paste your URL. Okay guys, that's it. And by how you can add your Linktree, using Linktree you can add all offers like this. Okay guys, and you have to share your Linktree link. You see here your Linktree link, and you have to share this link to your targeted people. Now all the two steps. At the first you have to create your account on any of the CPA network at the first step, and the second step you have to choose the best offer, and you have to manage all the offers in one page, because every offer is selected for one country and for this reason you have to add 15 to 20 offers at this page on Google Doc or Linktree. Okay, now you have to share this Google Doc link or Linktree link. If you wish, you can use Google Doc or Linktree. Okay, fine. Now your third step and the most valuable step, you have to generate traffic. You have to share this link in front of your targeted people. And how can you do it? And I will show you, and you have to copy and paste just what I show in this video, what I do in this video, what I say in this video. Okay, so I will show you how to get free traffic. And before this, if you like this video, then like it, and if you have any question and if you face any problem, if you face any trouble, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to solve your problems. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. Okay, and inside my video description you will get a lot of money making opportunities, free traffic opportunities, and you can check my video description. Okay, if you want to long run your online marketing journey, you must need it. Okay guys, now let me finish this tutorial. Let me finish how to get traffic. Traffic is the key to online success. If you want to promote any affiliate offer, you need traffic. If you want to promote your own tutorial, own course, own software, you must need traffic. And if you want to promote any of the CPA offers, you must need traffic. Creating account on CPA Grip, choosing offers, choosing the best offers, it doesn't matter. It never converts your offers. You have to get traffic to convert your offers. And for this, I will show you how you can get traffic as a newbie, as a beginner. Okay, visit YouTube. Don't worry, you don't need to make any videos. You have to use YouTube. Using YouTube, you can get traffic. Okay, by this way, just follow me. You can think you have to make videos on YouTube, or you have to create account on YouTube and upload videos on YouTube. No, it's totally different. Just use YouTube, what I do and how I get traffic. Okay, fine. Visit YouTube first, then make PayPal money. You have to search, I recommend you to search make PayPal money or make money work from home, work at home, this type of, because most of the people search this type of keyword. Most of the people want to watch this type of videos. Okay, and for this reason, make PayPal money. Okay, search here. You see here a lot of videos, and none of the videos is yours, but you can use all the video, any of the video as your own video. Okay, but not inside YouTube. Okay, it's outside YouTube. I will show you this website, how you can use YouTube video on those website and get traffic. Okay, now you can search here the filter search, and I recommend you to upload videos on 5 to 10 minutes video, or less than 5 minutes 4 minutes video. You can search it, less than 4 minutes video. You can see a lot of videos, and you have to choose those videos. These are you have to see the like ratio and dislike ratio. If you see the dislike ratio is high, then don't choose those videos. Okay, if you see the like ratio is good, then you can choose those videos. Okay, that means people love this video. You see here, it's 1 month ago. This video is uploaded for 1 month ago, and 16k huge view, and 349 likes and 50 dislikes. That means it's a good video. It's I can choose this video, or you can choose any of the video, any other videos. You see a lot of videos, and you can use any of the videos. And mind it, you don't have any copyright issues, because you don't use this video inside YouTube. So a lot of people ask me, a lot of people comment in other videos that I noticed. Most of the people afraid of copyright issues. In the case of CC video, if you choose CC video, Creative Commons video, if you filter search here and see this Creative Commons, if you choose Creative Commons video, here is no copyright issues. YouTube allows you to use this video, use other people's video whose are reused allowed video. That means Creative Commons video. Okay, if you choose this type of video, here is no copyright issues. If you use Creative Commons videos on YouTube, here is no copyright issues. But in this tutorial, you use YouTube video on other platforms, so here is no copyright issues. So don't afraid it. Okay, now I want to choose this video. At the first, you have to download this video. Okay, and you can simply use a YouTube downloader Y2Mate. Okay, now open this video. It's Y2Mate. You can simply download your any of the YouTube videos. Just simply copy this link, paste it, this link it here, and start. You see here a lot various size, various resolution videos here. You can download any of the video. Okay, just click the download button and download it for free. Okay, and you see here is the thumbnail of this video. You can use this thumbnail. Just click the view full thumbnails and you see here and simply save image as and download this image too for using your own thumbnail. Okay, now I will show you this mastermind website, this mastermind site that you can use this YouTube video and get traffic. Okay, but if you like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. Okay, visit this website BitChute. Okay, at the first you have to create account on BitChute. It's easy and simple, and I want to show you. I will show you. Just click the register button. Put your username first, your email address, your password, confirm password, and here is the referral code. It's optional, don't need to do it. Click here and agree and click account. That's it. Okay, after creating your account, you have to log in this BitChute, and after logging into here, I want to show some stats. Over 25 million people visit this website per month. So a lot of traffic visiting this website, a lot of traffic finding money making opportunities inside this website. You see here the popular videos. If you see the popular videos, it's 3 minutes ago 32 view, 3 minutes ago 15 view, 8 minutes ago 172 view, 10 minutes ago 200 view. Okay, fine. If you see the subscribed video, if you see the trending video. Okay, now if you search make money online, if you see make money online related video and see the news first, okay, then you see here 30 minutes ago 1 view, 9 hours ago 2 view, 9 hours ago 30 view, 10 hours ago 11 view, 1 day ago 5 view, 10 hours ago 39 view. Now I want to say you have to upload 3, 4, 5 videos per day. You can get a lot of videos inside YouTube, so there is no lackings of video. You have to use 4 or 5 videos per day. I don't know, you don't know which video will be viral, so you have to upload 3, 4, 5 videos per day. It's my recommendation. If you have enough time, I recommended you to upload 3, 4, 5 videos per day. That brings more better results. Okay, you see here all the videos here. Now you have to upload videos on BitChute, and how you can upload videos I will show you step by step everything. You don't need to be afraid how can I do it. You can think I can do it. No, I will show you how you can do it. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities you can find inside my YouTube channel, so you never be frustrated, you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel, I can assure you. Okay, you can check it. Okay, fine. Now you see here the upload icon. Just click this upload icon, and you have to upload your videos here. At the first, your video title, you can simply copy this video title. Okay, copy this video title. Make free PayPal money right now 2021. Okay, fine. And here is the description. You can use this video description. Here is no video description, so you can use this type of video description. Okay, it's a legit money making opportunity for anyone. Check it out. Check it out here. Okay, and here you have to put your URL. If you choose this Linktree URL, then you can copy this URL and paste it here. Or if you want to use this site Google URL, then you can put it here. But use one URL. Okay, you have to use one of this URL, or if you use this URL. Okay, fine. So in the video description you have to add your this offer page. This offer page URL, it may be linked URL or it may be Google Doc URL. Okay, now you see here normal content that is suitable for S over 16 or okay, fine. Now you have to upload your videos. Just click upload videos, and you have to choose videos from your desktop, your computer, your laptop. And you see here this video on free PayPal money. Okay, it takes few time to upload this video. So guys, if you can do it, if you can upload videos like this ways, I can assure you, you get views, you get clicks, and if you get views, if you can get clicks, then you must get conversion. Okay, but don't think just one video makes $1,000 for you. No, it's not possible. You have to upload minimum 3 4 5 videos per day, and you have to get a minimum views, you have to get minimum clicks, and by this way you can promote your CPO offers and get commission, make CPO profits. Okay, there is no other alternatives. Don't want to get overnight result. After watching this video, follow this method, upload on videos and get results. Don't want to get this type of results, it's not possible. Okay, like you, a lot of money seekers want to make money online every day, but those people make money online who are use right ways, follow the right methods. So you have to be consistent. Okay, don't want to get overnight results, it's not possible, no one can do it. Okay, fine, it's uploaded, and you have to upload your cover, and the same cover that I that use Facebook, YouTube, the same cover. Okay, That's okay. So here is your video title, here is your description, and video description you have to put your affiliate link, you have to put your offer page link, and you have to upload your videos, you have to upload your covers, and click the finish. That's it. Click the finish. Okay, you see here, here is my video, here is my video, and you check here on the video description, you check it out here. If you click this link, you can see this Linktree link, this offer page link, and you see here this offer page link. Okay, get UK get to on 100 euro diamond gift card, all the offers here. Okay, and if you use site Google, if you use Google Docs, then you can this link, open this link and get the offer page. That's it. So guys, if you have any question, if you face any problem, then comment in the comment box, I will solve it. Okay, it's a simple copy paste method. Just follow all this method that I showed in this video. Okay, at the first you have to create your CPA Grip account, then choose the best offers, then added all the offers on page using site Google Docs or Linktree, then visit the YouTube, to use YouTube to get YouTube videos, CASI videos, and by using filter search you can use short videos, choose any of the videos, download these videos and upload it on BitChute. And in the video description you can easily put your affiliate URL, all the offer page URL. That's crystal and clear. If you can do it, you can must get result, I can assure you. And if you never seen this method in before, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to solve your problems. Okay, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, and you see here a lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. So if you first inside my YouTube channel, I can assure you, you never be disappointed, you never be frustrated to check my YouTube channel, to get all the videos inside my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, you can see here I try my best to cover ClickBank method, JBG method, Aureate Plus method, high ticket program, free traffic, paid traffic, Google ads, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. So I can say it's an educational YouTube channel. So a lot of money making opportunities here. So don't miss to subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new exciting updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you are interested on affiliate marketing and if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation here or check into my video description. You see here a lot of money making opportunities, traffic opportunities, everything you will get inside my video description. If you have any question, then you can comment here, I will solve your problem. I try my best to solve the number on recommendation to make big money online. Okay, so guys, that's it. So if you can follow all this method, all this process, then I can assure you, you can promote your CPA offers for free, and it's the complete step by step tutorial. You have to follow it, you have to apply it and get results. Okay guys, that's it, and see you soon. God bless you. Bye. And don't forget to like this video, comment this video, and share this video with other people. Bye.